Good afternoon, people. Am I audible? Perfect. Voice is clear. Fine. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, so welcome all. Welcome to another session. Today we will be looking into the rest of the part of video ads, where we will be creating a lot of different ad formats. Some of them we have already created, like ad sequencing, skippable stream ad, and non-skippable stream ad. We haven't created the bumper ad though, I believe. Yes, we haven't. So three, four, or somewhere 4, 5 we will be creating ad formats, and then we will look into the ad promotion campaign also that we have discussed already, I believe, but we will look into it again, right? So shall we start? It's a very small session for today, I believe. And there is nothing much. So shall we start? Yes, no, let's start. Cool. Fine, guys. Let's go through the PDF. So this we have already covered. Video campaign, the different goals for last time we have already covered. Inventory type we have covered, expanded inventory, standard inventory, limited inventory, right? The different kind of safety promises, different video content like profanity, sexualized content, violence, drugs, hurtful language or harmful language. Then there are different content types that you can exclude. You can exclude your video from embedded YouTube videos on other different sizes. Then you can exclude live streaming videos, right? Then there are different digital content labels, DL, DLG's guidance, general audience, sorry. Then DLPG's parental guidance, DLTT, MH matured audience. Then label which is not, the content which is not labeled yet, you can exclude any of them or all of them or none of them. Then account versus campaign level content exclusion. This is all for reading. I mean, I'm not sure how much practical use would be there for this. For some of them would be there. For uh, this expanded in standard and limited inventory, there would be the use of expanded, standard, and limited inventory, but not. I'm not sure about the digital content label, but you can exclude them. You should, in some cases, right? Example, then brand awareness and reach. Right, earlier what we did was product consideration. Now today we are looking into brand awareness and reach. So in product consideration, we saw that there were three kind of ads: influence consideration, then ad sequencing, and then shopping. Right. Here in brand awareness and reach, there are different kind of ad formats. One is skippable in stream, one is bumper ad, which is 6 seconds of ad that you cannot skip. Then there is non-skippable in-stream ad, which is 7 to 15 seconds long. Then there is ad sequencing, outstream and ad sequencing, right? These five. Then there are different kind of goals and subtypes that you can see for video campaigns. For leads, what is the subtype? You can drive conversions. For website traffic, subtype is drive conversions. There are different networks you can run video ads on, right? We are looking into brand ad consideration, sorry, brand awareness and reach. Earlier we saw product and brand consideration. Now subtype you can see all the 5 here, right? The 3 earlier we looked into last day, right? So this is a kind of compiled list that I have put in that would be a bit handy for you guys. Right? This is all about the video campaign. Then there would be a campaign for app promotion, which is not so tough. Am I audible clearly or not? A lot of yes. So, right. So this is all about today's session. We will start looking into the practicality of it, how to create these. I will sign it. Right, we are into new campaign. I'll click on create new one. This is product and brand consideration, sorry, brand awareness and reach. Video, you can see all these 5. Skippable in stream, bumper, non-skippable in stream, outstream, ad sequence. We have looked into ad sequence earlier. Right, campaign creation. Video ad only can be seen on YouTube. Video ad will be on YouTube only. Right? You can see the bid strategy, which is target CPM already selected here. Right, we will keep the budget here, 1 rupee for daily. Networks you can see here. You can see this video partners on the display network. That means video partners which are apps in Google Display Network. So you can run on different websites and apps also these video ads. Right, the language we have selected, inventory type we have gone through earlier. Everything is set here. Demography, audience. So network basically there are, you can see there is one network is YouTube, another is you can see the display network, which is the collection of websites and apps, right? One ad network is search network. So these are the different networks. So there are major two networks. One is search and one is display. Under display there is YouTube, there is websites and apps. Yes, so we have already seen all this. We have discussed the I think the this thing, the overlapping and intersection of audience and content type, right? Keyword topic placements. We saw the Venn diagram last day, I believe. टोटल कैंपेन बजट 100 रुपए या 100 रुपए चला के क्या करोगे? मतलब टोटल बजट मतलब वन डे का रखोगे, कितने दिन का रखोगे, वो भी तो डिपेंड करता है. Then bidding, right? Now I will use my own YouTube channel here. Right? You can see this is skippable stream ad that we selected earlier. So you can give any of URL. You want to land people on the website, you can do that. If you want to land people on YouTube, the video, you can do that, right? Both. Let's say I want to land them on my website, for example. Now I can add call to action also if I want to. Headline I have to put here, so I can add a 15 characters of headline here. That could be learn Google ad, right? Something like that. You can see this headline, learn Google ad. It should have been ad, but the moment I'll add an S, it would show 16 character limit has been breached. I mean 15 character limit has been breached because this headline is of 16 characters, right? I can put add here, or I can just remove this and say Google AdWords. It is a 14 characters, right? You can auto this companion banner we have talked about, right? Yes, no. Call to action could be anything. It could be watch more, it could be know more, it could be visit website, anything that should be under 10 characters, right? I can write it anything. Okay, sorry, WTCH. Watch की जगह watch हो गया, watch की जगह watch हो गया. Okay, thank you. टोटल कैंपेन बजट 100 रुपए 2 दिन तक चलाने से अप्रोक्सीमेट इम्प्रेशन का नहीं पता, इम्प्रेशन कैसे पता पड़ेगा? और यहाँ पे यू विल गेट टू नो द नंबर ऑफ इम्प्रेशन हियर, राइट? It says your campaign might not serve because your bid is too low. Try increasing your bid and budget both, actually. Right? We have talked about companion banner, which can be pulled by your YouTube channel, or you can upload an image also, right? I can see the preview here. Right? You can see this companion banner, which is actually on my YouTube channel. I will show you this. I'll go to my YouTube. You can see this, right? This is the banner that is being pulled here, here, auto-generated, right? This is how it will look like. You can see this. This is for I mean this remained for 2 seconds only now. You can see this. I can skip it anytime now. This is how it will look like with the companion banner on the right side top. This is how the ad will look like. It will ask, see this, right? This card or this heading with the logo, everything here, right? Like and dislike. I like this ad. I dislike this ad. Both. Right? So we have already seen the preview. Now we can either save it or cancel it. Let's create a campaign. Okay, I cannot use Google AdWords word here, right? Can I use Google Ad here? So there are some policy violations also sometimes that we have to take care of. Continue to campaign. Right? This I have created the ad. This is my ad. I can just click on it. Says pending review. I can just say this preview. Click on it and you will see the preview again. Right? It could be on YouTube. This is how it will look like on YouTube desktop. This is how it will look like on YouTube mobile. Right? If I have to see a preview on mobile ad, it will send me a link. Or I can send a link on mobile. How much time does it take to approve the ad? Not much. Not much. The video ad may take some time, but these search ads are quickly approved until unless they are not violating any policy. Difference between skippable, unskippable, and bumper ad. We will come to that. We will come to that. Right now, we're at skippable ad only. Right? And this is how it will look like on Google Video Partners mobile. You can see the difference here, right? This is how the channel, the logo, and everything will look like on Google Video Partners, on mobile, on desktop. This is how it will look like. Right? There is a difference. Fine. This is how we create the skippable in stream ad. Right now we will create. Any confusion in this or any doubt in this skippable in stream ad? The survey option in YouTube, they ask us to take the survey about a product. They asked, I haven't encountered any survey option yet. I'm not sure about. Is it about the service or is it about the product or is it about the YouTube? I'm not sure. I need to check it. Where did you get that survey option? I never got it. Did it an ad or what? In UAE you get that survey? Oh, okay. Survey about ad. Could be survey about ads. Correct. Right. So this was your skippable in stream ad. No, I haven't encountered it particularly. That's why I'm not aware of it. Now we will come to new campaign and we will create the other one, which is the bumper ad. Right, so bumper ads are basically 6-second ad which cannot be skipped. Right, while your skippable stream ad could be of at least 30 seconds, should be at least of 30 seconds, right? And your non-skippable stream ad should be 7 to 15 seconds long. And this is video bumper. I will just on this, put it here. Rest would remain same. You can see the networks again, right? It won't run on YouTube search results. It will run on videos only, right? Location same. Languages you can pick any, and again inventory type. Rest all the things are same. You can see the additional settings, conversion, devices, frequency capping. We have talked about earlier, right? Then demography. So see, most of the settings are same in all of the campaigns, right? There would be a very little difference in bidding options, in audience, in content, etc. Right? Not much. There would be 3 or 4 added or yeah, the process is same to create all the video ads. Only the network may differ. Right? Rest all of the things are same. Location as in the location on YouTube. Ah, that would differ, of course. Where would it appear? That is what I am talking about, right? The network would differ. This, where is it? This thing may differ. See, you cannot run this bumper ad on YouTube search result while your skippable instrument was available here. So this would differ mostly. Now I will again. I don't have a 6 second ad, so I'll be finding one. Which one? Which one? This Wolverine will take, right? Let's. So this is not my ad, so you won't see my logo, YouTube logo, and anything here, right? Bumper ads are only of 6 second long. Yeah, sometimes Zomato and Swiggy show you the 6 second ads. Right, again the URL. I can use the URL of this ad, by the way, if I want to show them, but it's a 6 second ad, so not to be shown, that's it. What point would it make? This is just the headline that I am using here, right? You can write anything. It could be the name of the business also. Right, we will use one. Then again, the companion banner, it's not mine. You can see the preview. I'll show you the preview, by the way. You can see this, right? This is not mine. This companion banner is not the one that I used earlier. Right? It wasn't coming here anything related to my channel. I just gave the URL and display URL which is coming here. Right? Rest everything is from that particular YouTube channel. So even if you are running your Wolverine, this is nothing. right? So this is how you create a 6-seconder ad. So the basic difference is about of timing, right? Your bumper ad is skippable and bumper are same. Then what is the use of bumper? See, skippable ad could be longer than 6 seconds, right? It should be up to 30 seconds at least, maximum, I guess. And bumper is only 6 seconds. The bumper cannot be skipped. Your skippable can be your bumper ad cannot be skipped, right? While the skippable can be skipped by the. So if you have to use a short messaging, you can use bumper ad, a very short messaging, right? By the way, you can use the non-skippable in-stream ad rather if you want to. So it's also non-skippable and it will give a 15-second time frame to tell about your products or the services or any story you are trying to tell in 15 seconds. Right, so this is how the bumper ads are created. So how would they know about the full ad of what? 6 seconds or the longer one? The longer one? No, so there would be a view. Right? If someone has seen the skippable non-skip ad up to 30 seconds, then it would be counted as view. But if someone has clicked, then it would be fine. No, if someone has skipped the ad, then you won't be charged. Right now, we will see the non-skippable stream ad. Again, the bidding is same, target CPM. You can see the networks are same again, right? Country, location, everything would remain same. We'll directly move to campaign creation. Right, I don't have 15-second ad also actually. I can't use my channel ad. मेरे नाम से कितने लोगों ने चैनल बनाया? See, it says no non-skippable in-stream ad video 6 to 15 seconds found for implements, right? For my channel actually, I will find a different one. Yeah, if someone has skipped your ad, no, you won't be charged for the ad. That this is even. Okay, we will use this. That I will use my own URL. The call to action again. Headline. Event. Trailer. The other event trailer. Right? we customize our ad placement. Another videos. Ad placement, I think. When will be charged? See, you will be charged for CPM, by the way, because your bidding strategies target CPM for this brand awareness and reach, right? Because reach is always counted for CPM, accounted for CPM. Right? In earlier, you could have in earlier ad that we were looking at yesterday, in that brand consideration or what? The product considerations, right? In that, you could have used the maximum CPV. So regardless of some who has viewed your ad or who haven't, yeah, CPM would be by default here, right? So the moment your ad has uh, got an impression, you would be charged for it. I mean, in a lot of thousand, by the way. So what you can do when you are being charged for target when you are uh, putting this bidding strategy as target CPM, no, just go to the frequency capping. Where is it? Go to this frequency capping and cap impression frequency to 1, right? So every time you would be charged, every time an impression is being occurred, it will occur to a new user, not the same one. So then you would have 1,000 unique views in that case. Got the idea? Got the point? What I was trying to say. So in CPM, if you want to reach to maximum audience, just put your impression cap as 1, right? So all the 1,000 impressions would be for unique users only. But for one user, you are showing only 1 impression. So these are some tips and tricks, by the way, you would learn. Because what happens that most of the impressions may serve to the same audience. So if someone has viewed your video twice or something like, no, you will be charged twice, regardless of. That's why I keep impression cap every time. Right. So this is the 15-second trailer we have created. Let's see the preview of it on desktop. 15-second trailer. Right. You can see this coming from Box. I've just given the headline and my URL, display URL, and this one, the final URL. Everything belongs to Vox here. Vox Cinemas. You can skip the frequency cap if you want to brainwash the viewer. You can skip the frequency cap, yes. I won't say brainwash, I will say uh, what influence. How to do retargeting, that we haven't talked about. How to select the remarketing audience. I'm not talking about creating one, I'm talking about the selecting one, not creating one. I haven't talked about that. Go into audience tab and who they are, option आता है उसमें, then you can select the remarketing list. No? In mobile viewer drop down menu open when add in drop down menu. I'm not sure. In bumper ad it would be same. View and impression would be same, right? The idea would be unique views if you can see the unique views. No, I'm not talking about how to create the remarketing list. I'm talking about how to select the remarketing list. That I think we have talked last day only. So it's fine if we haven't, or we have. We will talk about it again. Not to worry. So you got the idea how to create this. See, creation of this all videos would be same, right? Only the timing will differ in this case. Right? This was your non-skippable instrument. I just think it. So what you can do, we are at the campaign level only. I am not sure the drop down menu wala at what we are talking in mobile. Can you send a screenshot or something? Right. So what you can do to remarket your audience, just go to your audience, right? Just go to browse. Now you can see this how they have interacted with your business. Just click on it. It says this remark. Just go to this. It says this remarketing and similar audience, right? Just click on it. You will see the combined list. If there is any, this is AdWords optimized list, right? You can see the website visitors here, all converted product viewers, general visitors, retail from Google Ads. This is created by Google Ads only. This is created by Google Ads. So whatever has been created by either Google Ads or Analytics, it will show up in the bracket, right? All visitors from Google Analytics, you can see. So you can pick any of them or whatever list remarketing list you have created, you can target them. Right? I can even target the YouTube users also. This YT audience that I created some time ago. You can see this, the size 530 to 900. This is my YouTube channel. You can see this, right? So you can target your audience. And if you have linked your YouTube channel, you can target your YouTube audience also. Right? You can see this. You can see the rules also, right? If I go to all visitors, it says this populates using all values from all parameters in your remarketing tagging implementation. All site visitors contains everybody who has been to your page, right? I don't have a lot of. You can see this. All visitors from Google Analytics is created. 8 to 30 people came. Right? This is how you can remarket. My channel is not monetized yet because I haven't got the 4,000 hours का view. तुम लोग देखते नहीं हो यार वीडियो मेरे चैनल पे आके. So to monetize your channel, you should have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. तुम लोग बढ़ाओ ना व्यू आके मेरे चैनल पे तो मोनेटाइज होगा मेरा. तुम लोग आते ही एड कहाँ से चलाओ यार अभी 4,000 वॉच आवर्स नहीं बोल रहे. You see this? I will show you. You go to this channel, YouTube Studio. Go to monetization, right? अभी इतना ही हुआ है मेरा 169 public hours. I need 4,000. Right? I am done with the 1,000 required subscriber. But लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब कर लिया, वो दिखता नहीं है चैनल. Yes, 4,000 hours content I am talking about on YouTube. People should watch this much of hours on my channel. लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग तो कर दूंगा बट लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग के लिए कुछ होना भी तो चाहिए ना. क्या घंटे भर का ये चैनल चालू, ये तुम्हें जो सिखाता हूँ वो लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग कर दूं उसका. नेक्स्ट टाइम ये कोर्स खत्म हो जाएगा उसके बाद से लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग करा करूंगा. हाँ एग्जैक्टली, CX वाले खा जाएंगे मुझे. डाउट की तुम नहीं यार. सी द the commitment I have with CXO, I will fulfill it. Later on, I will do anything on my YouTube, whatever I want. Why don't you start basic digital marketing course? I have started, by the way, बस मुझे time नहीं मिलता इसलिए मैं frequently कर नहीं पा रहा उसको. I have started it. So I am trying to put at least one video a week. तो अभी कुछ projects हैं वो खत्म हो जाएंगे मेरे consulting के, so I will start time later on. कहाँ से देखना था वो चार्ट? Go to YouTube Studios from top right corner of your YouTube. Then go to monetization on the left pane. Scroll down and go to monetization tab. You will see that. If they watch 2x speed, then watch time would नहीं if 2x speed हो जाएगा तो टाइम वीडियो का टाइम तो उतना ही है ना यार 3 to 4 make 3 to 4 वीडियोस पर वीक यार अभी टाइम नहीं मिलता इतना यार अभी सीरियसली टाइम नहीं है नेक्स्ट वीक से तुम लोगों के सेशन खत्म हो जाएंगे ना उसके बाद you guys get a job and then I will be free. Yeah, this is what I am telling you all is advanced. I'm not sure how many people go this deep. और कितने बार वो डाउट क्लियर करते हैं तुम लोग का आई एम नॉट श्योर राइट यार इंटरव्यू के टिप्स मैं नहीं दे पाऊंगा यू आर आस्किंग मी रॉन्ग गिव द टिप्स फॉर इंटरव्यूज दैट CXO people I think will talk about no I don't know I mean but I think they would शॉप का ऑटोमेटिक ओपन हो जाता है मोबाइल ये लिंक है ओपन करो कर दिया अरे all of you will get a job that the only thing is time इसमें क्या है YouTube True View for Action शॉप ना अपने आप ओपन हो जाता है हाँ इंटरव्यू के लिए आई थिंक CXO वाले हेल्प करेंगे आई गेस यस चलो टॉपिक से भटका देते हैं यार पहले टॉपिक पूरा कर लेते हैं लोग बोर हो जाते हैं फिर कंप्लेंट करते हैं कि बातें कर लें right so this is how we create the which at this was 15 second right non skippable in stream this is done now we'll come back to new campaign again brand everything video then we'll come to outstream continue मैं देखता हूँ I will look into it is shortcut short url.atclx वगैरह I will see this that true view ad is your 5-second ad only that I know sorry this skippable ad only all these your true view ad right I will see. I haven't seen this earlier. I will see this. Right. So this is your outstream ad. These are called outstream video ad because they are shown out of the YouTube environment. Right. Now you can see in outstream ad. This is viewable CPM now. Earlier it was target CPM. Right. So bid strategy changes sometimes. Everything is same here. Networks we will see again. So there is only one video partner on the display network. There won't be any YouTube ad here, right? You cannot include YouTube on this video partner, this outstream ad. Right? Inventory we have seen, all the exclusions we have seen, target we have seen already, right? This we have talked about, bidding CPM we have talked about. Now I can use my own channel because there is no limitation of the time. See, why is it called outstream? Because they are streaming out of the environment of YouTube. When I say environment, that means the platform of YouTube, you can say. That's why they are called outstream. What do you mean by in-stream? That means because they are on the network of YouTube or in the platform of YouTube. These ads are being shown. And why is it called outstream? Because these ads are being shown out of the YouTube network. That's why they are outstream. Because they are being shown on any website or app, not on YouTube. See, you would see here, you would see this Google Video Partners, right? Earlier we can see there were two options, Google Video Partners and YouTube. But right now we can see only this Google Video Partner. Now you can select thumbnail here. Now you can see that earlier with all the in-stream ads or YouTube related ads, we were only allowed to put a headline of 15 characters. Now here we can put a headline of 20 characters. Then there was no description. But here in outstream ad we can put a description of 100 characters also. Right? So I will put a headline, let's say, uh, how to create Google ad account, right? Get 2000 as credits. Right, this is the headline. You can see this is the headline here. Then description. So, we will talk about how to create a how to create a new video, how to create a new Google ad account for me and get 2000. Right, call to action I can put here, let's say, what more? I have to pick a logo or upload a logo that I am using it, my own. Now, because this is an outstream ad, I can use my own YouTube URL here so that people will land, when they will click on it, they will land on my YouTube video, right? So this is how the ad will look like. I can't show the preview of it right now because there is no option of preview in outstream ad. How much money it takes to make a shopping website and run it? Shopify में थोड़ा पैसा ज़्यादा लगेगा. That's it. That depends on how many products do you have. They sometimes charge on the number of products also. Right now I'm not sure if they, earlier they used to. Right, so this is how you create the outstream ad. And this would be your ad, this would be the logo, the headline, then how to create, etc., etc. In this video we will talk about this is the description, right? For increase the budget, for example, let's say I put here 100 rupees. Even because I have to change the bid also. I'm just changing the bid and budget. Nothing. Right, so you got to know how to create the ट्वेंटी तो सीपीएम लेते हैं फाइव 22. So you can see that it will 22 23. So you can see this that at the moment I am changing the bidding here 24, right? So 24 rupees a CPM at least I have to give here, right? So I can get at least 1 million to 3.7 million impressions on my this outstream video ad. If I am not putting any targeting here, if I put the targeting, let's say audience or anything, not digital Islam. Let's say SEO SEM services. It would be 84K to 930K and CPM of 25 rupees. Sorry, 24 rupees, 11 to 24 rupees. Available impressions would be 120 million. So this viewable impressions are 84K out of 120 million impressions. Right? So this is how you create the outstream ad. This is done here. Then we look into the ad sequencing. We have looked into the ad sequencing earlier. Do you want to look at it again? No. I got one no. It was clear, right? How to create the sequencing and everything for the ads. And there are so many people and no one is responding. Why? This understood. Okay. So a lot of that sequencing means the flow chart you showed yesterday. Yes, yes, same thing, same thing. Clear, no? Right? Yes, you know, right? Right. So I'm skipping it in that case. Right? No one has said to repeat it, so I'm just skipping it now. So we are done with the all the video campaigns creation, right? We will just look into one more thing here, just a small thing. In sales, lead, and website traffic, we can create video ads also. That we will look here. This drives the conversion usually. Right? You can pick the different targeting here. Target CPA and maximize conversion. It works on CPA as we read earlier. Right? Target CPA, I can put anything. It's asking me for 899 to 24, whatever it is. Right? A daily campaign of budget is this much. Network, you can see this. Right? So we'll see what kind of ads can we run here. I just this would be skippable in stream ad only. Right? So if I go to stage, let's say, I go to video again, that would be same drive conversion. If I go to lead, go to video, that would be again same drive conversion. Right? So we are done with this. We are remaining with app promotion. We will see how app promotion is done. Right? So I just went to this app promotion thing and in fact, I draw that image in my book. Sir, can we plan our ad in such a way that first video shall be shown today, after 2 days, and second ad it should be shown up and second after third video. I think we can, but I need to check if you can show the if you can select the frequency. Of course you can. You have the frequency capping or impression capping on day wise also, right? Of course you can. That's a good point, by the way. But you have to decide it on ad group level or campaign level. That we have to check. Right? Which ad group do you want to show? So there would be a lot of ifs and buts and setting, right? That we need to check. Right, so we will see the app promotion now. Then we click on continue. App promotion. This is single app, right? You can select either Android app or iOS app. So in one campaign, you can select only one platform. If you want to run it on iOS, you have to create another campaign, right? I will select Android. Any app I can. It's just for the experiment purpose or example purpose. But every time you are running an app promotion, app install campaign, for example, right? You should only promote your own app, not someone else. Then I can pick the location. You can see this. I just clicked on this weekly performance tab. It will show me the target CPI here. The CPI is cost per install, right? So at rupees 744, I can get at least 27657 installs. At rupees 11, I can get these many installs. These are estimates, by the way, right? So the moment I will pick, let's say budget 1000, right? And I haven't set a cost per install. So it will be the weekly performance. You can see the weekly installs are estimated based on the campaign targeting options. Enter target CPI to see estimated installs at this bit. Right, so you can see the estimates also here. You can click on this graph again, it will give you the graph. You can click on the table, it will give you the estimated table. If number of installation plus the estimated figure, then it's fine for you. 2 lakh का बजट हो. हाँ 2 lakh का बजट. ये डेली बजट है by the way, 29,000 for these many installs. Are you looking at this 37 rupees, huh? And this is daily estimated budget, not the monthly one. No, people spend that much, I'm telling you, on app installs. But because you are seeing this because of this install range number, right? I was doing a consulting for one of the company for app installs, and we used to get what 5,000 installs per day usually at a CPI of 10 rupees. So 50,000 we were investing anyways daily. People do that, yeah. People do a lot of. They invest a lot. ठीक है, it's fine. Right? Don't go with this number, right? Google tells you this number only, just you can invest. Sorry, spend. See, अगर आप एडवर्टाइज नहीं करोगे तो उनका खर्चा कहाँ से निकलेगा? No, I haven't seen. I will see this. Someone has said that if you notice in the whole year, you will see ad of Vodafone only during the time of IPL. Rest of the time, they never show their ad. It's their marketing strategy. I'm not. It is their. I'm not sure. I will see. I will notice if they are showing the ad this time. Vodafone. Companies recover that much more. They do. They do. Usually. Right, recovery का definition अलग होता है हर जगह. Someone has said if companies refer that much amount, we can run referral at this in what in app install campaign. Why should you run app install campaign by referral का ad? For referral right? अरे बहुत बातें हो गई, रुको. We'll complete this. This is very small. फिर Q&A रखेंगे 5-10 मिनट का. Right. So this is how you create the ad. This is where I link my app, not my app exactly. Any app you can link here. Right. Then bidding में you can put install volume. You can give a target CPA, a target CPI. In the app's perspective, you can give a cost. Let's say 2 rupees ka if you want to. Right. Now if you see this, if I don't give a target here, it gives me the rupees 7.442, rupees 37.19 something. The moment I put a bid here, it gives me number in dollars. So even their platform is not foolproof. While it is showing me the CPI here at rupees. अरे सॉरी, वो पावर कट हो गया था यार, कोई नहीं. अभी दोबारा एक बार लाइट करंट आएगा तो फिर से पावर कट होगा. राउटर रिस्टार्ट हो जाता है. Am I audible? Yes, okay. Fine. So this is how you create the campaign. I will just save and continue it. And then you will be landed on the ad creation wala option. Ad group, you can see the ad assets here. You have to you will see this, right? You just saved and continued the campaign, the ad creation wala. Then you are landed on this ad creation thing. But here you have to give the headline. You can give up to 5 headlines, and you can give the descriptions also up to 5. Then you can add images, up to 20 images you can add. You can add a video also. Right? Am I audible? Yes, okay. Right, so we were talking about the ad creation in the ad section, right? You can add up to 5 headlines, you can add up to 5 descriptions here, you can add 20 images at least. I mean, up to. You can add up to 20 videos, and you can add HTML. HTML ad basically. up to 20, right? So we will create this. This is very small one. अभी तक खत्म हो गया होता, हम लोग डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे होते तो पावर कट का टेंशन भी नहीं होता, कोई नहीं. So we can write the headline here: install our app and get personalized notifications. तो ज्यादा हो गया 30 कैरेक्टर से. इंस्टॉल आवर ऐप तक ही ठीक है. Get personalized notification. Personalized की spelling हो गई. Right, you can add up to 5. I'm adding only one. This one I'm using only one. And it is range of products. Right, ये एक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दिया, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे. You guys can see this. So this particular app install campaign can run on display, search, YouTube, and Google Play. Right? You can see this on search. How would it look like? Something like this. This would be your ad in Google Play. Right? I can add images. Let me add some images, not all of them. So one, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये काम करनी है. Invalid image. Okay. A lot of them are invalid images. Can I see recently used? Are there any? There are a lot of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. एप्पल ऐप स्टोर में भी यहाँ से ऐप प्रमोशन हो जाएगा. एप्पल ऐप स्टोर में भी हो जाएगा, बट कैंपेन अलग बनाना पड़ेगा. एक कैंपेन से एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे कर सकते हैं, इधर एंड्रॉइड और एप्पल. Right? I can add videos if I want to, but it's fine. Let's just leave it. Right? You will see this is how it will work. It will look on different platforms. See the preview. Search on YouTube. This will mostly run on mobile only, right? Not on desktop, for obvious reason. This is how you will create the ad for the app install. If you have the conversion pixel placed in your app, you can run app engagement campaigns also. Right? So people who have installed your app, you can ask them to perform a specific action on your app. Either to buy for a premium service, to opt for a premium service, or watch specific content, a video or web series or something, whatever it is. Right? This is how you create it. You save and continue, and the ad will start running. I just cancel it. So what you can do actually, you can add your Play Console link also here, account also here, right? Go to linked accounts. You can see a lot of accounts here. You can link a Google Analytics account. You can link the Google Play Console account, or Google Play account, let's say. You can create a remarketing list for Google Play user, as for the people who installed your app also, right? The customers or users of your app. You can link your Google Merchant Center, YouTube, Search Console, Ads Data Hub. that you can make campaign data available to vendors and third-party agencies. Right. So these many accounts can be linked. Right. We are done with the campaign creation. Right. The next session we will look into this section particularly, tool and setting map, performance planner, keyword planner, reach planner. We will talk about conversion also, right? All the sections. I will try to cover most of them, but first we will talk about conversion settings. Fine, that's it for today. Any questions? If I a small business and I have created a video ad and I don't have any YouTube channel, how can I run that ad on YouTube? So you have to create a YouTube channel then. You cannot. So where can I make my customized images for advertising free? You want to make it for free? Go to canva.com. You can create it for free. Most of the images you would get for free. List of abbreviations. Yes, yes, yes. Correct, correct. Okay, I will try to find it. The abbreviations. Right. Monday I will share it with you guys. Most probably. For sure. क्योंकि weekend मिल जाएगा मुझे. For creating video campaign, we must have YouTube channel. Yes. वो मैं ओपन करके देख लूंगा. ये कोई वो तो नहीं है स्पैम वगैरह समथिंग लाइक दैट. पता पड़ा मेरा मोबाइल क्रैश हो गया. The videos for video ads has to be made by some professionals or can be arranged by our own? You cannot arrange it by your own, right? You have to make it from the designer, the graphic designer. Which ads got disapproved here? अच्छा इसका ऐप प्रमोशन का निकल गया. The Google Ads account and Google Merchant Center account link mandatory. Yes, it's mandatory for shopping ads. Okay, I will. So most of the work done at Google platform. Yes. Who are the Google Video partner, etc. There would be a lot of websites who would be hosting the videos, right? Even you can do that. You can just you can just copy a YouTube video, the code of it, and embed it in your website. Very simple. How many classes left? Sir, if I have a website, I promote it via Google Ad and get sufficient traffic, then how will I earn from it? At a time, I can't think that website to extend. I use something else, no? I'll tell you. What should I see? Add. So, so you can do one thing. No, exactly, you can't do anything for this. See, you have to build the organic traffic if you want to run it through AdSense. So AdSense भी आजकल इतना जल्दी मिलता नहीं है. As a fresher, what kind of work we will do in first month? First, you will get to understand the business actually. What is the business the company is in all about? How they are running the products. With the ads, what kind of products they are running. हाँ रिजेक्ट होगा एडसेंस नहीं होता तो कंसर्न था today's class is already over we are just into Q&A for another 2-3 minutes and company will train us yeah of course they should shopping ads are showing in bottom of Google results what Google results on desktop or laptop sorry desktop laptop नहीं mobile or desktop mobile में for which search query any specific search query is it a book PDF search अच्छा are these ads or are these related searches there is a difference the non-runner marathon trainer PDF the non-runner marathon PDF not much we are not we are sorry where was that how much topic are left of our course not much not many or I would say अब मुझे तो इसमें ऐड ही नहीं दिखा रहा I am searching it as mobile it's not showing me any ad here not sure cool so I think we are done here And not a lot of questions are pouring in now. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend. Right, do something interesting, constructive. Right, you too, stay safe. Not many topics are left. Bye bye. Good night. Good night, everyone. Not many topics are left. I didn't say many topics are left. Okay, good night, guys. Bye bye. See you in the next session.